is Chetan Bhola and you are watching Bhola MacTech. Today I am going to explain you about the airbags. So what are the airbags? Airbags are the balloon of a fabric bag that resists the motion of the occupant in the car. So these are the vehicle safety device and is an occupant resistance system. It provides an energy absorber surface between the vehicle occupant and the steering wheel or instrumental panel or ABC structure body frame pillars. Since steering wheel, instrumental panel and ABC structural body frame pillars are the most approachable members or components at the time of an accident. This system consists of the airbag cushion, a flexible fabric bag, an inflation module and an impact sensor. Airbag module is designed to inflate extremely rapidly and then quickly deflate also. It is all controlled by an ACU, that is airbag control unit, and it is powered by an ECU which gives the signal to an ACU. ACU consists of certain algorithms which sends the signal to an inflator so that it can inflate the airbags or not. Now there are some airbag configurations on which it will tell you about where the airbags are present or not and where are not. So this is driver airbag module. It is present on the steering wheel. Whenever there is a front impact on the vehicle, the driver is supposed to strike the steering wheel. So to resist that inertial force of the driver, the airbag is present on the steering wheel so that it can resist the motion of the driver. Now similarly, the passenger airbag module is also given on the dashboard because the passenger sitting beside the driver also experiences a force in front due to the impact, due to which it tends to strike the dashboard. So prevent that impact, there is an airbag present inside the dashboard which will open up when the car goes into an accident. Now there are some side curtain airbags which covers the window from the above structural members. So this act as a curtain or a protective curtain which will protect the passenger sitting inside it from the external forces or external material coming from the window. Now there are some seat mounted side impact airbag. These are present on the seat on a single side of a seat from where the force impact is supposed to come. So these protect the sideways of a passenger. Now there is knee bolster airbag that is present between the dashboard and the knees of the driver or a passenger. So whenever the car goes into an impact, the airbag will inflate and act as a protective layer between the knee and the dashboard. Now there is the inflatable seat belt module. This is the module present on the seat belt only, and it inflates from the seat belt and covers the whole upper body of the passenger or the driver. It covers the stomach part, the chest and the face of the passenger or the driver, and it is the most efficient airbag present in the car. The functioning is, it uses a gas generator to inflate the airbag. The gas generator works as it uses high oxygen containing fuel or a mixture of a fuel and oxidant whose combustion make huge volume of gas. This is the same principle that is used in the rocket propellant to generate large quantity of the gases, and these all gases are pushed into the airbag that inflates it, and then it creates the cushioning effect. The signals from the various sensors, that is impact sensor, some accelerometer sensor, ABS and all other sensors, and then are sent to the ECU which applies some algorithms and detects whether the impact is so crucial that it needs to open the airbags or not, and after that it sends some signals to the inflator which inflates the airbag. Now coming to the maintenance, so the airbag doesn't really need some maintenance because it has a longer life. Previously in past we need to check the airbags after several 5 to 6 years, but nowadays it has some powder inside it which protects us from the ripening of the airbag. But there are several conditions due to which the moisture enters into the airbag and which causes the stickiness in the powder inside the airbag, which malfunctions the airbag. The sensors are needed to be checked after some time using a scanner. There is a device called scanner which senses whether the sensors are working well or not. So the sensor, that is impact sensor, is the main sensor used in this system. So that sensor must be checked after some time so that it is working well or not. Now coming to the limitations, it is designed to deploy once only. So if airbag is fitted inside the car, it is designed only for one use. So whenever the car goes into an accident and suddenly there is another impact on the car, then the airbag will inflate only once and works only once. So that's the major limitation in that. And the other limitation is that whenever you switch off the ignition of the car, in most of the cars the airbag completely disables. So at that time this is the limitation, because if the car is at the switch off ignition position, then the car goes into an accident, then there is a cause of then there is nothing to save you. So that's the major limitation of the airbags. So I think this is enough for today. So thanks a lot guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please share it to your friends so that my channel can grow. Thanks a lot guys, and happy Diwali to all, as the Diwali is coming.